Hi guys, my name is Midna, or my nickname anyway, and I just wanted to try doing like some random videos just because I'm bored because of, well, I live in England and we're not forced to being like inside all the time, but it's very much better if you don't go out. Honestly, it's like going shopping is literal hell right now. But I did manage to get my hands on some Pokemon cards, as I really like Pokemon. I have all sorts of interests, as you can see behind me, all my different interests. And I'll sort of touch on them more in the future. I'm also an artist. I go by eclipse_creations_x on Instagram. If you want to check that out, I would really appreciate that, because my Instagram used to do well, but it's doing kind of poorly at the moment. So if you could give my stuff a look, that'd be amazing. But anyway, on to the video. Today I have got my hands on lots of the new Sword and Shield packs. I have the promo Glossifer one and the promo Wooloo, which unfortunately I already have, but this is the only packs I could buy at the moment because there's nowhere to buy anything, and it's not really safe ordering stuff online at the moment because I've been waiting for a key ring for 3 weeks and it hasn't come, so there's no point in ordering stuff online at the moment. So I have those 4, so there's 4 promo cards. I'll keep one of them, and then when this is all over I'll sell the other 3. There's 4 coins, and I'll sell the other 3 of them when this is over. And I also have a Great Ball promo tin as well. And there's 3 booster packs in that one and a coin. So first of all, I'm going to start off with the Wooloo one, I think, this one. I'll try and show you guys as best as I can. I'm using my crappy phone camera because we do have another camera in the house, but it's flat at the moment and I didn't want to wait because I have no patience whatsoever. But I'm just going to open this up if I can. Don't cringe at me how I open the packs either, because I have all of these packs. So I don't need to keep any of them, and I'm hoping that I can pull either a V or a rainbow or the amazing ultimate gold, the golden Zacian. I hope I said that right, I don't know if I did. These are the newest Pokemon card packs, by the way. So we've got this one, which is the Holo Wooloo card, the promo one. Sorry if you can't see it very well, it's not focusing greatly. I will get a better camera at some point, it's just I can't really just randomly go and get one at the moment, unfortunately. And then let's get the coin out. It's a nice coin of Lichen Rock. Probably didn't see that right either. It's a gold coin and it's pretty cool. I quite like that one actually. So that's the promo bit, and then obviously there's a code for the promo card, but I do use the online, so I'm not gonna put it up. Right, okay, and now I'm going to attempt to open I find that it's easiest to open Pokemon card backs by pulling the back tab. It's a bit messy if you want to keep the packet, so I'd recommend just using scissors if you're after keeping the packet, because I've absolutely wrecked some of mine doing it this way. Okay. Right, so obviously we've got the online code there, which I'm going to put in a pile, and then the way you're supposed to do Pokemon cards, oh sugar, is you take the back 4 and put them to the front, and then we'll go from there. So I've got my, right, I was going to do a Guess the Energy, like, I watch a YouTuber called is it Leonhardt or Leonhardt? I'll put his thing in the description because he's an amazing pack opening channel. But so we got Water Energy, Ordinary Rod, I don't know how to say his name, but this guy, these cards are so weirdly put. And there's a rabbit, Messino, and a Galarian Ponytail, which I'm actually really happy about because I really like the design for Galarian, I don't know, Ponytail, and a cotton hat, a Score Bunny to go with the rabbit, a Silicobra, a Roselia Reverse Hollow, and a Mashana. So that's it for the first pack. So that's the non-holographic rare at the back there. I'm putting the cards in front of the camera just if you're wondering what I'm doing. I'm also going to get this bag out of the way. Okay, so now we'll go into these packs. I'll just show you the promo and the I'll just show you the promo because the coin's the same actually. And I also apologise if you can hear any background noise. It's just I live in quite a noisy neighbourhood. We're right next to a main road and I'm here with all of my family because of quarantine. So okay, so we've got the code card, and then it's the same coin as I said, so I don't need to show you guys that. And then this is the little Glossifer Fleur card, which is really adorable. I really like this card actually. It's quite pretty as a holo. It's a holographic one, so holo in the square and where the Pokemon is. So that's that one. And then I shall open the booster pack. So this is the Lapras booster pack. It would be great to get one of the VMAX cards. I really want the Snorlax one and the Lapras one. I wonder if there's I don't actually know if there's a Sizzlipede VMAX. I really like Sizzlipede, so I'd really like one of those. Okay, so we have the code card, and then I'll get the 4 from the back. And Guess the Energy, I'm gonna say Fairy Energy. No, Psychic Energy. Great start. Okay, so we've got that one, we've got another Ordinary Rod, this guy, another Raboot, Ferroseed, Krabby, Galarian Zigzagoon, a non-holo Glossifleur, which I've just pulled off the front as the promo card, a Silicobra, a Metal Saucer as the reverse holo common, and a Lapras as the non-holographic rare. I actually really like that Lapras. I was just talking about Lapras and then it appears. It's a sign. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So again, it's the same. So trying not to do these too fast because I've waited ages to get these flipping things. So we've got the code there, and another Lycan coin, and another Glossiflor promo card. And then we have I can't remember which one's which, so it's one of the legend, it's the shield Pokemon obviously. But that's really bad. I haven't caught up with the new stuff because it's on Switch and I don't have a Switch, unfortunately. I have a PS4, but I wish Pokemon would move to other platforms. Right, okay. So we have the code. Take the 4. Okay. And guess the energy. I can say lightning, I don't know whether that's in this set or not. No, it's fire energy, wonderful. So that's the fire energy. Okay. Then we got a Doppler, a Culver Squire, quite a cool one. I like the Corviknight evolutions, they're so cool. A Great Ball. This is in a weird order. A Clobbopus. A very snazzy looking Goldeen. A non-holo Roseleo. A Garcy with a disturbingly long tongue. A Pawniard. A really nice Rillaboom card. That's the reverse holo rare. And a Cinderace, which is the non-holo rare. That's actually really cool. I really like those two. Great. Okay, so if we move on to the last one of these, and then I'll get into the Great Ball. Ooh. Already bent the promo card, then that's not going to get it sold. Okay, so yeah, we've got the Lycanroc and the promo card. And the code. Okay. This is the Snorlax VMAX pack art. Oh, I just nearly saw the first card. That's really fantastic. Not supposed to be looking until I've opened it. Okay, so we have the code card. And then let's take the top 4. And I'm going to say fire energy. Ah! Got it. Okay, so we have fire energy. Another Rabu. Hop. Pokegear. My favourite creepy crawly boy, Sizzlipede. Wooloo, non-holographic, same as the promo. Grookey. Sobble. Rhyhorn, sorry, I got distracted by the next card. A Galarian Rapidash. I really like this card. So it's a reverse holo and it's pretty cool. So we've got both of them now. Amazing. And a Poltegeist. I also love these little guys. The evolutions of these are so cool. Okay, so that's it for the Sword and Shield packs for now. I may get some more in a month or 2 months time. I'm not going to do, this is not going to be a thing that happens all the time on this channel because I don't have the money and I can't really get to any shops. So It'll be in a couple of months when I do this again. But that is it for the Sword and Shield. We didn't pull any GXs today, but oh well. If I just pick out the best pulls we got. Oh, and they've all fallen all over the place. That's fantastic. Bear with me a sec. Wasn't really any more great ones there. So we've got the promo cards, Wooloo and Glossifleur. We've got the amazing Galarian Rapidash. We've got the Rillaboom Reverse Holo and a really cool looking Cinderace non-holo rare card. So that's it for those. I'm just gonna pile these up so they don't get bent. Because when these go out of print, there's a way, you can get cards graded, and if the centering and the quality of the card is adequate, it can get a 10 mint gem, which is the best you can get. And it would be amazing if I could get that. I do have some first edition base set cards, but unfortunately they are bent to pieces because they're second hand. I got them when I was actually about 5 years old, so unfortunately when you're 5 you don't really think about that. Okay, so I'm just piling these cards up as I said a second. So that lot cost me £20 because they come with the cards, but the packs on their own cost about £3, £4. Okay, and then that's how many you get, like 40 plus cards for that. So it's worth it, definitely. So I'm just putting my cards there. Okay, and now we're going to move on to this bad boy. This is the Master Ball, and let's see what ones we can get in this. Each Pokemon Sun and Moon series booster pack, so it should be XY or Sun and Moon. Yeah, so it's XY series or Sun and Moon. These are not new ones, these are older ones. I'm just going to try and open this with no nails. I'm also hoping it's a coin I haven't got because I've got quite a lot of coins. Oh, this is a bitch to open. There we go. Dearie me, if you gave that to a child, they would not be able to open it. Okay. So, in here we have, oh that's great, we have an Ancient Origins pack. That's really cool. It's a Mega Tyranitar. I don't have this pack art yet. And we have a Burning Shadows, which is great because again I do not have this pack art yet. And a Crimson Invasion pack. So they're all fine packs. Didn't really want evolutions or anything like that, if I'm honest, because they're just remakes and you know you want the originals really. And let's have a look at what the coin is. No, it's one I've already got, unfortunately. It's a blue Ninetales coin. Already have that one, sadly, so I'll be reselling that one. But still really cool that we got Ancient Origins and Burning Shadows. I'm trying to get this plastic off the packs. It's so hard to get off. There we go. And then if we take a look at the tin, so it's got the Great Ball pattern obviously on it, and then this bit pops out just like the real Pokeball, so that's what that looks like. And I'll have some more space to put my cards in now because I've run out. And then, right, let's get into these. I think I'm going to open Crimson Invasion first because that is the one that I'm not going to say least excited because I haven't seen any of these packs in a long time, but less excited than the others. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so we have the code. Shouldn't have shown that side, someone's probably going to redeem it now as well. And then we take 4 off the top and put them in front. And guess the energy, I'm going to say Psychic. No, it's Fairy, okay. Okay, there we go, that's that one. Okay, and then we've got a Cicino, which is funny because I was playing Pokemon Go on the way to the shop and I just managed to evolve one of those. Oh, that's cool. We've got a Zweilous. I love Hydrogen and what's it called? I can't remember the other one. Hello Swine. Don't have one of him. Spoink. I love Spoink. He's a great boy Pokemon. Carablast. Bunnelby. Gentio. Numel. Gladion, Reverse Hollow, one of the coolest characters, and a Alolan Executor GX card, and it's a golden one. I've got to research what that means exactly. It's a full art card as well. Look how cool that is. Wow, that's amazing. I'm so happy with that right now. I'm going to put that away from the others and in a case in a second. Okay, that is amazing. I'm actually really happy with that pack. Wow, I'm impressed. I'll buy one of those again. I wish I bought 2 now. Okay, and we'll get into the Tyranitar Ancient Origins pack now. I just realised I've destroyed the top of my Crimson Invasion one and I don't have that one. Whoops. Let's not destroy the Mega Tyranitar one. Okay, right, so I'm in the bottom and I'm attempting to not ruin the package. They're a bit bent, which is a bit of a pain in the bum. You can't frickin' get them out now. Come on. There we go, got it out and pack's still perfect, so that's good. I'll put those on for safety. Oh no, it's in the way of the camera, whoopsie. Okay, so we have the code. And now take the 4 off the top. Okay, and guess the energy, I'm going to say lightning. Oh, perhaps it works differently in this one. Okay, well that's a hollow Virizion, which is pretty cool. Okay, so we got a special dangerous energy. I've never seen that before. A Rotom. A Sceptile Spirit Link. I want the actual Sceptile to go with it though. Persian. Golurk. relic card. Possibly. Oh no. Okay. Oh, an Eevee! And an energy recycler, reverse holo. I think I pulled too many cards from the back then. Oh well. So not too crazy in that one, but not bad. Can't really expect anything when you pull something like that though. I'm gonna check how much it's worth and probably update at the end of the video. That's that one. And now we're gonna get into the Burning Shadows one, the last pack. Okay. I can't get it open. It's a bit of an art opening these packs, because I try not to wreck them. I mean, other people will just rip them to shreds, but I don't want to do that, so... Okay, so, the code, 2, 3, 4, hopefully this is correct this time. And guess the energy, lightning. No, metal. Okay, wonderful. Okay, so metal energy. And escape road. Sophocles. A ribbon bee. That's a cute one, I don't have that one. Mario. Rhyhorn. Sandy Gast. Hoot Hoot. Tanga. Coyote, I like that card. He's one of my favourite characters. Nice. And a Heracross non-holo rare. Nice. So not too crazy again, but I'm happy with that. That's pretty cool. I don't mind that at all. So that is all we've got today, but I'll show you the Executor again, and then I'll have a look and see what rarity that one is. The Golden Executor card. Okay, so let's have a look. So I just checked on the Alolan Executor. It's not worth a crazy amount. It's anywhere between $3 to $10. So not crazy, but I'm still quite happy with it. I mean, I like it, and I'm happy with some of the other cards we got. Not crazy luck today, but in the future, hopefully, we can pull some great stuff. Alright, I'll see you guys soon, and stay safe in this horrifying time in the world. Bye!